test to review for test to review. We're doing part 3 and we're going to do question 5 and 6. So it says, here's a line. It says identify the slope, the y-intercept, and the x-intercept. Okay, so for slope, we have to just find two nice points, okay, that intersect the lines exactly at the intersection, okay? So here's a nice point, and here's a nice point, okay, because they intersect right in the middle of that intersection. So all I want to do for slope is I want to find how much up or down it goes and how much left to right it goes. So let's start at the bottom one, and we want to get to the top one. So how many jumps up do I have to go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So up, I'm going to go 6, and then 1, 2, and I have to go 2 right. Now both of these directions are positive, so up is positive, right is positive. So I get 6 over 2, but I can maybe simplify 6 over 2. So I'm just going to check because it's a fraction. Yeah, that's the same as 3. Okay, so I know my slope is 3. Slope is 3. Slope is 3. So we know it's not these ones. Okay, so now I have to do y-intercept and x-intercept. So where does this line touch the y-axis? At -6. Where does it touch the x-axis? At 2. Okay, so the y-intercept is -6. Yes, the x-intercept is 2. Good, so it's B. Okay. Next question. Number 6. Use the slope and the y-intercept to graph this line. So remember, whatever number is beside the x, this number here is my slope. So here, this is going to be the slope because it's beside the x. So what is it? It's 4. Now it says graph it. Okay, so step 1 is we put a point at -9 because that's my y-intercept. So it intercepts the y-axis at -9. So there's -9. Now my slope is 4. But whenever it's not a fraction like 4, we need to turn it into a fraction. So I just go over 1. So this means go up 4 and right 1. So don't start at the middle. That's a mistake some people do. They start at the they start at the origin. First you put your point at -9, and then step 2 is you start to move with the slope. So go up 4 over 1. Up 4 over 1. Okay? And there's your line there. In my math lab, you only do it once. You pull it, you jump your little cursor, your dot, your point, and you go up 4 and drag it over 1, and then then you click and you push enter. I'm just doing it twice because then I can make a nice straighter line. Okay.